Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into something special that will elevate your Halloween crafting experience. If you're on the hunt for the best Halloween material, look no further than the JarThenaAMCS 60-piece Halloween cotton fabric bundle. This delightful collection promises to spark your creativity and transform your DIY projects into festive masterpieces. This set includes 60 pieces of high-quality cotton fabric, each measuring 10 by 10 inches. With 30 unique designs featuring classic Halloween characters, think pumpkins, candy corn, witches, and spooky monsters, you're bound to find the perfect fabric for your next crafting endeavor. The variety in colors, from bright oranges to deep purples and classic blacks, encapsulates the essence of Halloween, making it an essential addition to your crafting supplies. What sets these fat quarters apart is not just their whimsical designs but also their superb quality. Made from premium cotton, they feel comfortable and are completely odorless. This means you can work with them for hours without any discomfort. The fabric holds its color well even after washing, ensuring that your creations remain vibrant and fresh year after year. Whether you're sewing decorations for a Halloween party, creating costumes, or whipping up unique gifts for friends and family, these fabric bundles provide the versatility you need. They're soft enough for easy cutting and sewing, allowing you to unleash your creativity. Imagine the joy of crafting personalized items that capture the spirit of the season. These fabric bundles are not just great for individual projects but are perfect for group activities too. If you're hosting a crafting night with friends or family, these fabrics can inspire fun, collaborative projects that everyone will cherish. From making pendants and wallets to adorable dolls and gift wrapping, the possibilities are endless. Plus, they make for a lovely gift for the sewing enthusiasts in your life. With Halloween just around the corner, there's no better way to show your appreciation than with a set of these enchanting fabrics. Just imagine their delight when they open up a bundle filled with endless crafting potential. So, if you're ready to elevate your Halloween crafting game, be sure to check out the JarThenaAMCS 60-piece Halloween cotton fabric bundle. With its spooky designs, quality material, and versatility, it truly is the best Halloween material you can find. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product critiques. Until next time, happy crafting and have a spooktacular Halloween.